Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then date and time. If you want to set your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, automatic date and time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone depending on your region. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.